Hello friends, today we are going to prepare aloo paratha. The ingredients needed are potato and wheat flour, oil, 6 green chilies, a pinch of ginger, handful of coriander leaves, curry leaves, carom seeds, turmeric powder, a pinch of hing, salt and water. First, let us cook the potatoes in the cooker. Let us give 5 whistles. Now, let us prepare the dough. Put a glass of water and a pinch of salt, 1 spoon of oil. Mix it properly and then let us add the wheat flour and mix it nicely to prepare the dough. You can see I am mixing it properly. And now let us apply little oil and knead it properly and keep it aside by applying oil for half an hour. Cover the lid and keep it aside. Now let us grind in a mixer. We will add ginger, green chilies, then let us add salt. Then we will add curry leaves, then coriander leaves and carom seeds. Together, let us blend it in the mixer. Now you can see the paste comes out like this. Now the potatoes are cooked well. Let us peel it out and then let us smash it. Add hing and then turmeric powder and the mixture which we have mixed in the blender. Now let us mix it properly and prepare the paste. Now make the balls in your required shape. Now let us take a ball of wheat flour. Let us roll a small chapati and then add the mixture and roll it into aloo paratha. Now lightly you can roll the aloo paratha in a round shape. Now apply oil and fry the paratha. Now flip the other side and apply little oil, and both the sides you can fry the aloo paratha. It is ready to serve. Thank you.